fluff. Out for the birds. Ooh, it's coming back. Came back. Tried to throw it out and the wind got it. What do you think, Moose? Yeah, almost all the leaves are out. This black walnut tree is usually the last one, but they're starting to pop. It's the last one to get leaves and the last one in the fall to lose them. This tree, I remember when I was a little kid, this tree blew over in a windstorm and we picked it back up and replanted it in the ground. And now it's huge. That was in the 90s probably. In the mid 90s, so they grow fast. It's taller than that maple tree. And the maple tree is like 100 years old. Yeah, this one's a black walnut tree. It drops all these green nuts into the yard. We have to go around and pick them up. The squirrels love them. What do you think? You like watching the squirrels, don't you? You'd like to chase the squirrels. The puppies. Say hi, puppies. What's up, Moose? We'll follow Moose. Where you going, buddy? You say hi? Oh, zoomies. Maybe not. What do you have? What is that? Hey, Moose. I don't think you're supposed to have that. That looks like cardboard. Uh-oh. It's a funny joke. Good one, Matt. Well, this will be impossible. Moose has a little piece of cardboard. Nope, don't chew that. Drop it. I got it. Slobber covered. Out it goes. Here, this is cool. Check this moth out. Yeah, they don't fight. Like if I want to grab something out of either of their mouths, they let me grab it. Yeah, the moth. Yeah, let me go back to that. They're cool looking. I don't know what type this is, but cool pattern. Oh, my phone isn't focusing in on it totally. Come on, focus. There we go. Pretty neat. They blend into the wood really well. Zedge25, how you doing? Thanks for stopping by. Matt's doing well with the dad jokes.